Hi everyone, I hope that you all are good and fine. So in today's session, we will solve this question number 2 of exercise 2.4. The question is very simple students, and I have written the question in short form. So let me first explain you the question. See, in the question number 2, it is asked to find out the reciprocal of given numbers or fraction. Let it be fractional number or whole number, any number. So what you have to do, first you have to find out the reciprocals. Okay, and then in next segment it is saying to classify them as proper fractions, improper fractions or whole number. Okay, so I hope that you are well aware about what are proper fractions, what are improper fractions and whole number. Okay, so I have already explained you during in the introduction video, so I hope you might have seen it. Okay, now again I will explain you here also what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction. No problem is there. Okay, but as first let me start from the very first segment. Okay, the very first segment is given as 3 upon 7. So what we will do, how, see, first I will solve one question as in complete steps. After that I will adopt a shortcut method so that I will save my time and yours also. Okay, now so here we will start with reciprocal, as you have been asked to find out the same. So reciprocal is equal to how much you will get, students? 7 upon 3. Why 7 upon 3? See, whenever you are finding out the reciprocal, let me tell you what do you mean by reciprocal. So reciprocal का मतलब होता है उल्टा, ठीक है. And if we are finding out reciprocal of any number in mathematics, then we are dividing it by 1. Like suppose if I have to find out the reciprocal of 7. Okay, so what will be the reciprocal of 7? It will be 1 upon 7. So similarly here also, if you will divide this fractional number by 1, then you will get the reciprocal of this number, this fractional number. Okay, and if you will divide this fractional number by 1, then this 7 will be shifted at numerator and this 3 will be shifted at denominator. So reciprocal is 7 upon 3. Now here we will write as numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, therefore this fraction is which fraction? This fraction is, since numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, numerator greater से denominator से बड़ा है, तो ये improper fraction हो गया, improper fraction. I am adopting this shortcut method. Shortcut method, students, you don't adopt it, you don't write like this. Okay. So here what I told you, see what are improper fractions. If you are not knowing the improper fraction, see in improper fraction numerators are greater than the denominator, and if numerator is less than the denominator, then such type of fractions are known as proper fractions. Okay, and here since numerator is greater than the denominator, therefore this will be improper fraction. So like this you have to solve. Now moving to next segment. From next segment students, I am not going to write it like this, I will adopt a shortcut method. Okay, next segment number 2. In segment number 2 we are having 5 upon 8. So first we will find out the reciprocal. How much will be the reciprocal? Its numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. Okay, so again here we are having students, that is numerator is greater than the denominator, and hence this again will be improper fraction. Okay, so similarly here we will solve the next segment number 3, which is 9 upon 7. Okay, so its reciprocal will be how much, students? Its reciprocal will be 7 upon 9. Now this time we are having numerator less than the denominator, and as I told you, if numerator is less than the denominator, then such type of fractions are known as proper fractions. So here we will have proper fraction. Okay, now moving to next segment, students. Next segment is fourth segment. So in fourth segment we are having 6 upon 5. How much? 6 upon 5. So if you will find its reciprocal, it will become 5 upon 6. And again you can see, students, that 5 is less than 6 and hence it will be proper fraction. Okay. Now moving to next segment, segment number 5. Segment number 5 is 12 upon 7. So its reciprocal will be 7 upon 12 and hence again 7, that is numerator, is less than the denominator and hence this fraction will also be proper fraction. Okay. You don't write like this, students. Again and again I am warning you. Okay. Why? Because your mathematics teacher will not recognize it and they will cut it. Okay, so to save my time I am using that PF, that is proper fraction. Okay, now next, sixth. Okay, sixth is 1 upon 8. So if you will find this reciprocal, it will be 8 upon 1, or simply you can write 8, and 8 is nothing but whole number. Okay, now moving to next segment, segment number 7. Segment number 7, what is there? 1 upon 11. So if you will find out the reciprocal of 1 upon 11, it will be 11 upon 1, or simply it will be 11, which is nothing but whole number. Okay, so I hope that you might have understood. This was your question number 1, students, and thank you for connecting with me.